Hey guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy S9, the latest flagship from Samsung. I have no words about this device because it's a just awesome device and best of the everything you can get on hand. So let's peel this plastic. Just see the awesomeness of this box. Black and super cool box. So here is the general specifications. It's a 5.8-inch display, Super AMOLED Quad HD Plus, uh, super speed dual pixel 20 megapixel of a main camera with optical image stabilization, super slow motion, 8 megapixel autofocus selfie camera, stereo speakers, enhancement by AKG, full water resistant IP68, iris scanner, 64 gigabyte of internal storage, 4 gig of RAM, wireless charging, and earphones by AKG. So it's a octa-core Exynos Samsung CPU. There is a Qualcomm version of S9. So there is a S9 Plus, bigger display, 6.1, but this is the S9 only. So this one is a midnight black. There is a color variant with black color, violet, and I think it's a red color too. So this one is with dual SIM cards, duos. Just amazing box. Wow. Can you see this? Can you see this box? It's super stylish. As you can see. SIM ejection tool. Bunch of user guides. Molewi's SMG 960F dual SIM warranty card, quick start guides, and so on. I like this box so much. Like from the future. Everything is detailed. Made it. Okay. Here is the S9, guys. I'm super impressed. Full glass with a metal frame. Full glass with metal frame. Full glass color with the metal frame. Stereo speakers this time. Fingerprint is on the other side. Heart rate sensor, dual pixel camera. Okay. Micro USB adapter. OTG. Fast charging adapter. USB Type-C cable. As you can see. AKA headphones with volume control and microphone. Is the same as S8 headphones. And air cushions for a different type of ears. I'm just impressed every time when I see the Samsung phone. Look at this awesomeness. It's time to turn on. SIM. No SIM cards. So it's a fully waterproof device. It's first time setup. It comes with Android. Android Oreo, Samsung Touch Face Experience 9. It's everything you want on this S9. Super amazing camera, super amazing infinity display, super cool stylish design, elegant touch. So let's see the storage. $50 GB of free internal storage memory. Just perfect. Just perfect. Front facing camera. So just awesome stereo sound. I like it very much. So guys, hope you enjoyed my video. This is the Samsung Galaxy S9, the best flagship of Samsung. You need to get this one immediately. So hope you enjoyed my video. See you on next amazing videos like this one, and subscribe on my channel. See you next time.